What's up, YouTube? I am so excited because y'all already know the time has finally come. Thank goodness. We are about to unbox my new iPhone XS. I got it in gold. If they had came out gold the first time, I wouldn't have had to upgrade. But I did, and I'm so excited. So let's get into it. Now, let me see how we finna unbox this. Got my lovely knife right here. Woo! I do not want to cut myself, that's for sure. Like, nobody got time. Woo! Try not to cut myself. I scratched myself with the cardboard. Don't need that. It's just the paperwork. So, y'all, oh my gosh, like, look at this. Like, oh my goodness, like, oh my god, it's here. Like, yo, I was like tracking the heck out of my package like it was gonna be moving every second or something. Like, totally not gonna happen. So I got the 256 gig. Jesus, this is just so amazing. This had my dad's phone number on it. Let me take that off. Y'all probably don't want to call him, but who cares? Yo, like, I'm just so excited. Like, let's just go ahead and peel the plastic. So we got the classic paper wrap that they always give. Nothing spectacular. Like, oh, I can actually see the gold outlining on it. Gold symbol. I'm just so excited to have a gold phone again. Like, y'all just don't understand. Like, let's take this off. That is off now. We got designed by Apple in California. You know, classic papers and stuff. Nobody ever reads that stuff. Like, I don't. Y'all, this is the phone. Like, oh my gosh. Come in the box, charger. I got a billion of these. Headphones. Hey, yo, Apple, why y'all ain't put the adapter in here? Like, what are y'all doing? Like, dude, there's no adapter. I'm not understanding. Like, okay, like, okay. And we got charger as usual. Like, I'm not understanding that part, but yeah, y'all, this is my new phone. Look at the gold color. Like, oh my goodness. Like, yo, oh my gosh, like, having a gold one is just, look at this. Like, oh my goodness, this is so freaking pretty. Like, this is so pretty. Yo, this is crazy. Like, I'm taking the plastic off. Oh my gosh, like, I can't even, like, this is so beautiful. Like, look at that. Why didn't y'all come out with this first? Like, why didn't y'all come out with this first? Like, oh my goodness, like, look at the edges of this phone. Like, it is just so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Oh, look, they've changed the speaker ports. Like, they are not aligned anymore, like on the old one. Like, it's aligned, and this time it's only like 3 or 4 dots over here. Is that 3 dots? Yeah, it's like 3 dots instead of like even like it normally is. Like, y'all, oh my goodness, like, I gotta take the case off of this one so I can look at it like side by side. Like, yo, look, everything is basically like the same. Like, this one is just in gold. I'm obsessed with gold. I had to get a gold one. Like, I just had to. Like, they are so, like, I'm gonna miss my little black phone, but I'm so excited to have a gold one. Like, this is so amazing. Like, I cannot wait to set this up and put my stuff on this phone. Like, y'all just don't even understand. And I'm just so excited. Like, this color is so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. But anyway, I will be back soon because I have more videos that I'm gonna want to do. I'm gonna cut this phone on and get it all set up and nice. And I will be back because I did get the Apple Watch. I got the Apple Watch, so I'm super freaking excited. Like, so excited. And if anybody is interested in my old Apple Watch, I posted it on eBay, so I'll put the link below if y'all want to buy it. Yeah, but I will holla at y'all later.